Alright, now I know this is like just an MP3 player, who cares? But I'm going to open it and check it out. This is something that as a kid I would love, an MP3 player, that can support MP3, what is it, video, there's the iPods and stuff like that, but this was the more affordable option with some speakers. We'll test out the sound, and yeah, let's start opening it. So, charging cable, earphones, not bad. Look at these earphones, they're actually in-ear earphones, not one of those regular earbuds. Installation disc, so you can get the movies and stuff. That's actually probably going to be necessary. It might not just be copy and paste like a lot of the new stuff. Big manual. Let's take this off. Was sitting in storage for a while, I guess. So how is this attached? So it's got a decent little weight to it. Where you put the batteries, power adapter, which didn't come with it. Well, that sucks. Oh, that's just the cable for that. So this just plugs in directly. So it came with the charger for this, just not for the speakers. Oh, 1 gigabyte. Oh my gosh. This oozes cheapness. I wonder if it has any power on it. Well, the good thing is it works with anything that has a 3.5mm headphone jack. The volume. I do wish it came with the adapter so it could be plugged in without having to use batteries. But I got batteries. I'll test it with batteries, I guess. Okay. I always feel sad pulling this off. Digital Lab. So it needs to be charged up. I'll go charge up and come back. Then this pops up and it just shows up here as like a USB. So I just copied some music. This is just some free YouTube music. And I'm gonna plug it in, put some batteries, and go from there. Oh man, it's not miserable. It's not the greatest sound, but it's not as so that's max volume. So another cool little thing. This is kind of a portable device. Watch this. You see here? You slide it up. There's just a cable here. There you go. And you can just plug it in directly. You don't need that. That's just like a little stand, but there you go. Well, that's it for that. I don't know. It's kind of a neat little device. Back in the day, I would have been happy with it. Nowadays, it's not very like necessary or anything. But I like old items. I don't know why. So we'll see if I find anything else old or brings back nostalgic memories. Maybe I'll pick up. But for now, this is it. Thanks for watching. See you.